Skirtings R Us are MDF manufacturing specialists, and we supply mouldings to the UK building, construction and renovation industries. Skirtings R Us started in 2012 with a small range of mouldings, and since then we've scaled up that range and our manufacturing capabilities to what you see online today. We supply skirting board, architrave, window boards, dado and picture rail and wall panelling to suit a customer's specific needs. All buildings need skirting boards, but customers that are looking to deliver high impact interiors especially will look to our product to help them deliver that to suit the character of each customer's property when the board has essentially been made to a customer's specific order. Our website tries to make the ordering process as efficient and quick as possible, as most people probably didn't realise how much choice there was when it comes to buying skirting boards. Flowing from choosing the style to specifying the size, we'll try and get you as quickly as possible towards the checkout. We also offer a range of guidance across style topics, installation topics. There's also lots of photos online of how the product appears in situ as installed by real customers. Having invested in technology and efficiency in the factory, we're able to offer a really strong price point to customers looking for skirting boards in combination with fast turnaround times, especially when you're after large quantities of the product. Between us, we've got probably 60 years of woodworking experience in the office, so there's not a lot that we haven't seen over the years, especially in the niche skirting board department. And we've got over 6,000 happy reviews, generally praising the product quality and the levels of service that they've been receiving.